Is there any way to post on Instagram using a computer? Yeah, there is. You can't post from Instagram.com directly, but there are other scheduling platforms you can use. The free options you can do is Hootsuite, and another one that we are currently using for our clients is Later, probably one of our favorite scheduling platforms because it allows you to preview your aesthetic overall prior to actually scheduling it. And especially if you're a photographer or someone who's doing modeling or someone who's into fashion or who's even doing graphic design, and if you're particular about your aesthetic, Later's a good free choice to start off with. The setback with that is you won't be able to do any video if you're someone who does video, but for the most part, Later's a great option. This is kind of weird. I can't see myself right now, so.